Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Heeral and welcome back to another video of Holi special series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make mixed fruit chaat. This is very healthy and delicious and best thing for serve at Holi. This chaat is very refreshing as well, so let's get started. Here I've taken some fresh strawberries, and with strawberries here I've also taken some fresh grapes. You can take any fruits of your choice in this mixed fruit chaat. With this I've taken 2 bananas as well. And lastly I have taken 2 guavas. Now I'm going to chop all the fruits nicely, and now I'm going to add all my chopped fruits in a bowl. After adding all the fruits, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of jeera powder, half a tablespoon of black salt. You can adjust the amount of salt as per your taste, and half a tablespoon of black pepper powder. And I'm going to mix all these things really nicely. If you want, you can also add chaat masala or lime juice in this. And now lastly I'm going to sprinkle some chopped mint leaves to give a really nice taste. And your fruit chaat is all done within no time. I'm going to serve this in 2 bowls. And lastly I'm going to garnish it with some mint leaves at the top, and your fruit chaat is all ready within no time. You can make this and serve this at Holi, and it will be a perfect recipe. For more such instant Holi recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family, and I'll meet you in my next upcoming video. Till the time, take care and goodbye.